Okay. So we got a number, 44.
Yeah.
And it looks like the test wants it to be 2. Or
this is, I made it a little tricky this time. So what you need to take into account is just the title of the test. And then you need to correct everything in the test if required. So,
okay.
Yeah.
So it looks like the only one's odd numbers. Or maybe we want to filter out odd numbers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got it right.
Yeah. Should we chain on some filter there to the initialization? Yeah, exactly there. So we don't want any even numbers. So should we do a number modulus 2 not equals 0 as a predicate?
You can't use number there. Use
Oh, okay. Yeah, we've already used that one.
True.
Yeah, do N or something.
Yeah, exactly.
But how was it now? Was it filter out the stuff, or wasn't it?
You have a point. Continue that direction, that line of thought.
Is it the other way around, or?
I'm not sure.
We can continue with this hypothesis and check it with the step verifier when you run the test. And then you can course correct afterward. So if you think it's done, just run it.
Do we try and run it?
Yeah, exactly there.
Yeah, that's right. I'm not sure actually exactly what the step verifier is verifying right now. The expect next part. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah, you might need to correct that part, remove something based on the title of the test and the input. But it's good for comparison now.
Okay, is that what the love to do is? To
exactly.
set up a better verification?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we want to do, we want to filter out even numbers. So what you are doing is that if the number is odd, you're gonna keep it. Remember, it's opposite of fishing net. With fishing net, you bring in, you get what you want to, you take it out, so you take the fish out of the stream. But here you want, what you want should be kept in the stream. Or maybe I made a mistake.
But we want odd numbers. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we only want odd numbers. And this filter should return true for odd numbers.
Okay, cool, that's right. Yeah. So maybe your step verifier is wrong. So when you put 44 in your mono and you run it against that filter, what you're gonna end up with? What will be
Empty mono.
Exactly. So what does your step verifier is checking?
That we have 2 items in it.
We have the first item and the only item is 2. It's
Okay.
except next. Remember, like the next thing that comes. So that's unnecessary.
Okay.
That's
Do we have some?
we have examples in previous episodes if you want to look.
Yeah, maybe.
In the first episode or second episode, we had a check for empty. Yeah, it should be here somewhere. Not this one. Yeah, it's in the first episode then. So if you go further down, yeah, here, create an empty box and verify it.
So should we do that expect next count
Yeah,
to verify
the number
empty in
of
this case?
yeah, it's kind of like when you have an array and do that lengths. It's kind of similar to that here conceptually.
Should we comment out the next line as well then?
Yeah.
Will
So-
complete work,
Yeah, yeah.
but since it's empty.
So I guess we didn't discuss it much, but since you brought it up, complete is means that everything was fine, and empty is a fine state compared to null in imperative. That is, null is bad, empty is fine. It's just another state of the string. Yeah, lovely. Let's move on to the next test. And someone else, please begin.